Okay, so basically the best way is to draw around this and see what we got. So we have a crankshaft that is spinning clockwise. So we got crankshaft going that way. Well, that means the chain or belt is going to be going in that direction, okay? So the fan, so then what's that going to cause the fan to do? The fan is going to have to follow along the direction of the chain. So that means now the fan is going to be going counterclockwise. The alternator, all right, so the chain's still moving along this direction here. If the chain's going that direction, the alternator is going to be in the same direction as the chain on that part there, and that is a clockwise direction. Okay? Finally, the power steering. So we're going to follow this all the way around to here. So the chain is going in this direction. That means the power steering is going in that direction as well, which means it is clockwise as well. There you go.